Welcome to Odyssey Pilot Hours, the destination in Colorado for quality time building. We're built for aspiring pilots who are ready to fly. With our TAA glass cockpit fleet, in-house maintenance, and on-site lodging, Odyssey gives you the full-time flying experience, all under one straightforward, all-inclusive hourly rate. No downtime, no surprise fees, just the freedom to log meaningful hours, sharpen your skills, and elevate your journey. You don't need endless time to become a professional. You need consistent access, reliable equipment, and a place that understands what flight time really means. Build time fast. Build dreams faster. This is Odyssey, built for your future in flight.